Yeah, give me a minute. It's 5:24 in the morning, and I've just been rocked awake by a series of explosions. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're continuing outside. Kyiv is obviously under attack. Um, and given that I'm not aware of an air raid, and just because I'm not aware of it doesn't mean that it didn't happen. But we're clearly under a heavy bombardment of what are probably missiles, maybe missiles and drones. I can still hear some explosions in the distance, but those first couple just rocked the building. So something's been hit in or over central Kyiv. Again, it's about 5:25 in the morning. When is it? It's Monday, September 2nd, 2024, day 922 of Vladimir Putin's war of aggression against the people of Ukraine. And that's what's going on here.